When managing big post flows, posting with multiple tools, or transitioning to your CRM for content management, you might encounter that manual transfer is time-consuming and repetitive. So, to avoid these issues, we've added the option to import your blogs via CSV. Let's check out how. Navigate to the Blogs tab inside the Sites section and access any of your blog sites. Open the New Post drop-down menu. Then select Import from CSV. Download the sample CSV template. Prepare your file. Then upload your blog content. Review your posts in the bulk composer, editing them if necessary. Then click Import to finalize the process. This feature makes it easy to move content from Blogger, Wix, or Spreadsheets seamlessly, as well as big uploads, up to 60 posts, helping you transition to managing your blog content inside your CRM while maintaining flexibility with scheduling. We hope this tool makes it easier for you to create and organize your blogging content, helping you and your team reach a broader audience and engage leads with your branding without manually copying and pasting your content from multiple sources or previous platforms.